What I'm in right now is one of the best suites in Panama. When I say one of the best, I'm telling you, one of the best. Me and my wife, we travel all around the world and we never got a suite this big for the price that we're paying. So when y'all come to Panama, this way I need to stay at, all right? So now let's get into the room. So I'm gonna start off with the room. So let's start off with, once you walk in, what you see, a big yellow mirror. That's where you could take your pictures at, right there. Full body mirror, once you walk in, then we walk into the, just look at this face already, all for it, right? Now we got the big king size bed right here with a bench where you can sit and put your shoes on, get ready. Floor ceiling windows. We gonna hit you up with the closets too. We got some big closets. So we already packed our stuff in here, so don't mind it. But yeah, we got our stuff in here already. You got 2 closets where you can put all our stuff with a safe. Another big 2 closets that could fit all our stuff in. All right, then we come back here. Remember, I seen the floor to ceiling window. We're gonna get back to it. And we have a vanity for my lovely wife where she could get ready at. This is the space just for her. As I can see, she got her makeup and everything there already. We got another full body mirror. And they also got both speakers all around. They got one here, one by our beds. Now we have our little, I guess I'm gonna say living area where we could sit and lounge right here, where my wife got some Syrah's Beauty done. And then if you wanna eat, this is where we was eating at for the most part. They got their mini bar area. Got everything here. The fridge is down here. A lot of good stuff, you know what I mean? More floor to ceiling windows. Like, there's floor to ceiling windows all around. Now we're gonna come back around here and show y'all, this was fire. I like the idea of them having here in this big space, right? Yeah, the jacuzzi, it got the jets. We never touch the jacuzzi, but we have to at least. So, and it also come with a TV for y'all to relax, you know what I mean? Unwind, right? Now, one of the best parts of, well, I'm gonna say that for last. Let's go to the bathroom now. So this bathroom is huge. So it's 2 sinks. I love a double sink with a big mirror because I need my space, she need her space. And then, you know, I always talk about the bathrooms, right? I feel like, look, this is humongous. Like,
this is a shower, man.
Like this don't make no sense.
I'm all the way by the back. This is a shower. I'm stepping.
You could walk like 5, 6 steps.
Oh my God! Wow!
Films all in right here.
Yeah, look. It's huge.
It's so big, I feel like they could have also just put 2 shower heads.
Yeah, 2 shower heads, one on one side. That's how big it is, but yeah. And then we have the toilet. It's separate. So when you gotta use the bathroom, we're doing 2. And now, last but not least, which I love, balcony that we got in this suite. This is beautiful with the view of Panama City, right?
Damn!
Loving it, loving it. Chairs, like a lounge table, but I still love the view. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. So as you can see, all the space that we have in this hotel room, I didn't even get to the price. So for something like this, where we travel all around the world, we will pay on average, I'm gonna just say somewhere from what, $800 to a little over $1,000, more on the 1,000 side, right? A little over $1,000 a day for a suite like this, 5-star hotel anywhere else in the world. But when you come to Panama, in the W, a suite like this is like $440 on an average, and that's crazy to me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I seen the price, I said, wow, that's amazing. So anybody that's coming to Panama City, y'all gotta stay at the W. It's a 5-star hotel, the price is affordable. They have another level, which is the penthouse, which is on the more expensive side, but it's a lot bigger and is on a higher floor. And it's still good for the price because anywhere else, a penthouse that size that they have, which is over 1,000 square feet. This is about almost 1,000. It's a 936 square foot. And the price you're paying is for in front. I feel like it's more than worth it. So the name of this suite is the Supreme Suite. There's a suite under this, which is called the Urban Suite, which is a little more less expensive, but it's almost the same price. And then the next is the Supreme, and then it's the Penthouse. The Penthouse goes somewhere from like $1,000 a day on the average. So come on. Anybody that's coming to Panama, stay at the W, and tell them the Drammeh Experience sent you too, all right? So stay tuned for our vlog that we're gonna drop. Remember, it's my birthday weekend. Thank you to my wife again. Happy birthday to me again. Catch y'all guys later.